Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Dodge Durango Crew all-wheel drive, stock number B9044P. 57,000 miles on this Durango. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program. Give you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Durango is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7 with a leather interior, rear heat and air controls, as well as heated outboard middle row seats. Seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get through the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power lift gate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 50-50 split folding seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage, and very clean as you can see. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Crew has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, and never have to carry it along again. Very easy to manage your music from there. You can also upload through the USB connection, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials, head, auto dimming mirror, Homelink transmitter for garage door opener, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Durango has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified warranty protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9044P to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.